Ever wondered why a computer might sneeze? It's not just a joke. In the tech world, a computer sneezing is a playful metaphor for when it gets a virus. But here's the kicker. Some viruses are designed to mimic human sneezes by making random, unexpected noises through the speakers. This quirky feature is meant to confuse users and make them think their computer is haunted. It's a reminder of how creative and mischievous some programmers can be. So next time your computer makes a strange noise, it might just be sneezing.